Hey friends, if copy paste is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video and I will guide you through the resolutions. Now there can be three causes behind this issue. One is the interference of third-party software products, the second one with the keyboard, and the third one would be problems with the system files. So if the issue is with third-party software products, then all you need to do is search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open the system configuration window. Go to the services tab and then check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, apply, and then on OK, and then click on restart. The second solution is to run the keyboard troubleshooter. Now how do we do that? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot and select other troubleshooters. And if you find the keyboard troubleshooter here, though it is usually in the older versions of computers, then you can run it. The last solution is an SFC Scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Now type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC Scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.